Morning, everybody. Good morning. How's everybody doing this morning? I don't know what NQ's1 doing. If we're going down, we're going up. Let me see something quick. NQ1. I do believe we hit our 10-minute blue line last night. Yep, we did. Told you that was free money. Now, what is she doing now? Boy, we're on a hard sell. 90-minute buy stop, 60-minute buys. 1 hour buy. So it's a 90-minute buy stop. NQ1. Yeah. Let me see what's going on with US 30. Nine-hour buy stop, US 30. 10-hour buy stop. 12-hour buy stop. 10-hour, 12-hour buy stop. But we'll get back to that, just so you know. All indices, 10-hour, 12-hour buy stops. We'll get back to those in a minute. Now, let me. Yep, today is the 18th, Wednesday. Had a great day. Got a lot of work done on the system and shit yesterday. Thanks to Keith and Key J. Palmer. Appreciate you, fellas. Keith knows that. I think Key J knows too. Recording date, save. There we go. And let's go over to here. And I think we're live. All right. Good morning, LT. Good morning, Nitwit to win. Nit to win. Nit to win. Sorry, I didn't make his name. Good morning. I'm not familiar with you. Welcome to the channel if you're new. Good morning, Nit. Good morning, Larry Cooper. What's up, Larry? Blessed morning to you, Orlando. Just a few people here. That's all we need. Good morning, Trusted Kicks. Welcome back. Let's see. There's a few people on TikTok. Let's see what we got on TikTok. Lazarus, Larry Cooper, Little Joe, and Joe Big. Yep, my usual crew. Thank you all. Good morning to all of you. Really have to redo my thing. Well, we'll get to that in a minute. Anywho, I can't really get back to walking either until I move that, but we'll get back to it. Morning, Filio. Buy, stop all indices, 10-hour-ish. We'll get to that in a second. Again, I'll tell you some things. Thank you for liking my Facebook Live, Larry. You are the best. Good morning, and God bless you too, Larry, and Orlando, and Phil, and all of you. Thank you all for being here. God bless you all. What do we got? What do we got now? Let me see something. There was something I wanted to check. I just learned this. Let me just grab something really quick. And let me do this. Interesting. I did not know you can copy and paste directly like that. Now the question comes in. So it runs off, unless I'm assuming, I guess I do that. Does it do that over there? Let me see something. No. Yes, it did. So interesting. That can save me from writing it down when I start teaching you guys. Can you read that on TikTok is the question. Let's see. How do you trade? Well, yeah, you might be able to read that on TikTok. Pretty cool. That might save me a little time. I can. Oh, you can, Larry? Good. You must have good eyesight. Yes, says Joe Big. Okay, thanks, Joe. Cool. Wow, you guys are the best. All right, let me go back over to here. Now, if there's any news this morning, please let me know. I will trade it for you guys. $9:30 a.m. 9:29, 9:27, 9:20, 8:14, 8:27, 8:30. All right, all alarms are set. Oopsie, not paying attention to what you guys are saying. All right, where am I at? We gotta go over here. Live now. Your friend. How to trade 101. All right, let me plug in my little phone. Let me plug in my little zapper. Boy, that was easy. Okay. Nice. And if I wanted to change that, how cute is that? So let's see. I'm guessing this will only come up here. Huh. I'll figure that out later, but that is good to see. Let me put that down. I'll leave it on there too. See it. So you probably can't. I wonder if I made that smaller. Well, anyway, we'll get back to that. All right. Let's get to the call outs. Let's whip through them. I've already called out the indices for you. They are 10-minute buy stops. Oh, 1 second turning. Oh, yay. Let's go to the 5 seconds. Let's go to 5 seconds. Buy stop to the 5-second blue line, all indices. Woohoo! We're in the money. Let's add an alert. Let's add an alert. These are your take profits. When I'm adding these alerts, these are take profits. So when you see the number 21,985 come up for NQ1, that is a take profit. Add alert. Oh yeah, can you guys start hearing it? The problem with their tinier account here. Let me see. Oh, I don't know. I can't trade this morning. Damn, I'll have to get into that. Buy stop all indices to the 5-second blue line. Yay. Buy stop all indices to the 5-second blue line. Love it. Love it. Love the trade. Good morning, Ace Bullet. What's up, buddy? Mortgage news. Thank you, Little Joe. And no, I'm good on that. The only news that matter is CPI, NFP, and FOMC, but FOMC is always in the afternoon. You can do buy stops right now. Let's watch it work. The sniper, the mightiest one ever. It already hooked down. Careful with US 30. Buy stop NAS, NQ1, SPX, ES1 to the blue line. You're going to see pink cross purple, pink cross purple, pink cross purple. Fill in the gap, will happen. Price action will go up. It will go past the previous orange. This will fill in right here. This will go up. This is cute. US 30. Let me see. WM1, YM1. Yeah, same thing. YM1, pink across purple, this will go up. Green will go up to touch the yellow. You'll see price action go above this orange line. That is for YM1. And we'll just take our time. If it doesn't do it, we'll do it later, but I think we're on the right track right now. Good morning, Lachey, and welcome. Good morning, Filio again, and good morning, Larry Cooper, and good morning, Lachey. Blessings, healing blessings to all of my members that are listening, all the people are listening. God bless you all. We are absolutely keeping everyone that needs healthy prayers in our prayers, whether it's spiritually, physically, mentally, or emotionally. God bless you all and heal you all up in every way you need. Good morning, Mike Glowinski. What's up, Glow? I bet your Glow's on both or three things. Thank you, Mike. All right. Well, those are your call outs. 5-second buys, all indices. 90-minute buys, all indices. That goes for US 30, YM1, NAS, NQ1. Can I just do this too? Hold on a second. What I just thought of. Am I able to? Hold on. Interesting. Oh, look at how fancy dancy that shit is. What does text wrap do? Oh, so if we did that and I made this bigger, look at us go. Huh. Huh. And I'm guessing I can make this any size. Yeah. Now, will this know how to trade 101? Yeah. Well, this is going to be handy as fudgicles when I. So when I do that, yeah, and that way I don't have to worry about running with the lines. Oh, this is freaking great. All right. Next up, let's do our 1 second. Let's go ahead and do our Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP calls with our handy dandy crypto Uno reverse steroid edition. And I see here. Let's go to the 5 seconds here. We need to scooch this over. Yeesh. I need bigger. I need more room. I gotta do better with my chart layouts here. All right, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, right? Let's go down to the 5 seconds, see what's happening. I can see something flipping. We have boopity boppity boo. 5 second, 5 second. 5 second buy stop, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP blew up. And XRP, 5 second buy stop, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. I don't know what's going on with the bigger picture, so let me take a look at that. Add alert. Here you go. So technically, I could write on here. Does it hold the position? Bitcoin. Yeah, this is interesting. I'm here and see what's up. 3 minutes, 5 minutes. Where was it going to? 7 minutes. Oh, I hid away with all the medium. 10-minute, 90-minute, 45, 30-minute. Damn, 45-minute. See. Oh, it's not even in the right. Oh my God, they're pissing me off. Going around. All right. Let me see that again. 30-minute, 90-minute, 45-minute. Sell stop Bitcoin to the 45-minute blue line. We never play sells, but it's those of you that have big ones. You can go ahead and play it if you like. Bitcoin sell to 103,000. After that, $7-hour, 10-hour, 12-hour, 12-hour daily. 12-hour daily buy stop Bitcoin. Let me go to 12-hour here. Let's see if they hold. 12-hour buy stop Ethereum US 30 cross thing. Hold on. In the money on all 5-second buy stops. In the money on all 5-second buy stops. ES1 made you money. Nice, Rinky. Good morning, Rinky. Congratulations to you, Rinky. Good morning, Tracy Ann Davis and Lachey again. Good morning, Tarai Edwards. 3 women in a row. You go, women. Love have it. We've got it up to 10%, and then I think we dropped back down again, male to female. Rinky, good morning. Made half my Taj slip already. Good morning, Coach. Now, if I overlay the chat, hold on a second. Yeah, no, that's not going to work. That takes up even more of yeah, no, that's not going to cut it. All right, anywho. Ricochet, buy stop, went up, touched the blue line, all 5 seconds again. You still have time on US 30 and YM1. Look at you guys go. This is incredible. Wow. Nice. Ricochet, buy stop again, all indices. Yay. Easy money they're giving us this morning. Not as easy as last night on that sell though. That was free money. I'm positive they all went down, right? They all went down to the 10-minute blue line. It was NQ1 and ES1, I believe, were the two that I was calling last night. All right, we'll put these in place again, and we'll sit around here and wait later, not now. All right. So that is a 5-second buy stop all indices and a 90-minute buy stop all indices. We were last looking at Ethereum. Let me move this to where it should be, which is before that one. We were last looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. I called out the sell stop for all indices. Now I'm calling out the buys for all indices. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, buy stops, 12 hours. Take profit 1 for Bitcoin, 105, 106,000, 107,000, 108,000, 110, 115, 120,000. XRP to the blue line, buy stop, Larry. XRP 2,585. Gee, I remember someone calling out 2,800. I remember someone like me calling out 3,000, 3,500, and 4,000 for Ethereum. You have XRP. Not comfortable calling it from the 12-hour. Let me switch XRP. Yeah. XRP buy stop, take profit 1, $2.23, $2.35, $2.52, $3, $3.50, $4. XRP. It's going to take an act of God to get XRP to where I want it to be, but it's going to go there. And that's it. And those are your 3 main trade only. Cryptos. I am not a financial advisor. Good morning, Aussie trader. Zippity doo dah, zippity yay. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Let's see if we have some more people here on TikTok. Lazarus, Little Joe, Joe Bigga, good morning. Larry Cooper, Aussie trader. It's my time. Ryan Marcus, Journey fan, I love Journey. If you mean the group, holy shit, my favorite group ever. Saw them multiple times now. Not so good lately, but they're still my favorite group. Good morning, Rain Man and user 1570. It's my time. It's now or never. Let's go to gold. Gold and silver. Or silver and gold. All right, silver and gold. Let's take a look at our handy dandy, coolest shit thing, Una reverse scanner, thanks to the great Keith Palmer's coding. Of course, this is my mind. I don't know how he does it. What you see with these flashy little things right here is every tick. It checks the 1 second ticks, the 5 second ticks, the 10 second ticks, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute. It's combining all that knowledge and checking it over and over and over again to make sure these are the right signals called. We are looking like, I don't know, it's either we're going up on gold, let's take a look, or we're going down on silver. I'll tell you what the answer is. Oh, nice. We have divergence. This is good. Let's go over to gold. All I care about is gold and the buy stop. So let's go over to this 15-second buy stop. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. One is silver and one is gold. Let me go over here. Let me go over here. The time, Keith Rooney, I have no idea. Okay, hold on a second. Let me redo that. 7:41. Okay, let's try that again. The time, Keith Rooney, is 7:41 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Gold 15-second is incorrect unless I'm using the wrong gold symbol. I'll have to check what he's using. But at any rate, it's showing a buy stop. Obviously, that is not a buy stop. Just wanted to check with you on that. Thanks. Hopefully he's sound asleep. Silver and gold. Silver and gold. One is silver and one is gold. All right. Here we go, peeps. Let's take a look. See what's going on. 15-second buy. 15-second. We're already too late. We are 30. 30-second buy. 30-second buy line. Don't tell me I made the same. Fuck. Hold on, peeps. Hold on. Oh, you're in the money on the all of them. Hold on. You're in the money on Jesus, oh, pizza. Let's see. Yeah, the 5-second buy stops on Ethereum, XRP, you're in the money on those. 5-second buy stop to the blue line. XRP, you still have time for XRP. Look, you still have time for, there it is, XRP to the blue line. Ding, ding, ding. Told you, XRP to the blue line, that was your buy stop. Even though it's not, and this is the power of combining the system. Just because you didn't see it on XRP, a buy stop, you did on Bitcoin and Ethereum. So we saw the buy stop on Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's why XRP went to where it is. That's fucking awesome. Oh, and then we also seemingly had our 5-second buy stops on all indices are in the money to the 10-second blue line, to the 15-second blue line. Watch this one. Let me see if we can get free. Watch these change right here to green, right there. Watch in stunned amazement as these turn to green right here and here. There you go. Told you. So we're going to come over to here. We're going to go open 15-second. Just give it time. They'll come over. And that's your 15-second buy stops. Beautiful. Let's see about to the 30-second blue line. 30-second blue line also to the 1 minute blue line. Buy stops to the 1 minute blue line, all indices. You're already pretty much there. 2 minute blue line. Yes, you have time. Buy stop SPX to the 2 minute blue line right here. Buy stop to the 2 minute blue line US 30. There's your take profit. Let me go to YM1. And that'll be your take profit for there. Buy stops to the 2 minute blue line. Let's see. Yep, there we go. Told you 15 seconds filled in, 30 seconds filled in. Next up are the 3 minute and or 2 minute, depending on how you're looking at your charts. Those two. There you go. Look at how beautiful. Turn to red. Did your higher time frame buy stop. Bop, bop, bop. Bippity boppity boo. Bippity boppity boo, 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 boo. Bippity boppity boo, 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 boo. Bippity boppity boo. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's this about? What in the world? Somehow I blew up TikTok. I hear money. US 30 crossing. US 30 crossing. Who's in the money? Who's in the money? Da, 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 da. There you go. US 30 to the blue line. ES1 to the blue line. SPX to the 2 minute blue line. NQ1 past the 2 minute blue line. And past the 2 minute blue line. YM1 to the 2 minute blue line. US 30 still have time on US 30 to get to the blue line. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Hope somebody's playing these. If not, you're lost. Not mine. I'm good. There you go. US 32, it's 2 minute blue line. Yes, yes, yes. Nothing but a good time. Da 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 da. So you can clear the display. That is awesome. Da 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 da. Tell me why. Na 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 na. Tell me why. Na 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 na. That's so cute. Oh shit! Oh shit! Stop. Tell me why. This is awesome. Good morning to Lazarus, Little Joe, Joe Big, Larry Cooper, Aussie Trader. It's my time. Ryan Marcus, Journey Fan, Rain Man, User 1570, The Griffey, and Jay Dolan. Welcome to the channel, Jay Dolan. Da, 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 da. Everybody's making money. Buy stop to the US 32-minute blue line. Good morning, Amy Lou. I hope you've been okay. I haven't seen you in a minute. Good morning, Amy Lou. Good to see you. Great to see you here. Good morning, Dark Lights. You were on yesterday, I believe. 8 Ball was not. Good morning, 8 Ball. Good morning, Aussie Trader again, and Rinky. Rinky already made his money for Top Step, or at least half of it. Good morning, Sub-Zero. What's up, Sub-Zero? Good morning, Kirk Brown. What's up, Kirk Brown? You guys missed some good little buys here, but they're still moving. All indices buy stop to the 2 minute blue line of US 30. We've already made all the money from the 5 second through the 10 second through the, let me see over here, through the 5 second, through the 10 second, to the 15 second, to the 30 second, to the 1 minute. We're now heading to the 3 minute, but 2 minute first US 30. 2 minute first US 30. This will change the green on the 2 minute, and so will this. So there you go. Keep taking those buy stop peeps. Keep taking your money. Keep making your money. We do have gold also called out, and silver. I'm going to do gold again, though. I'm not comfortable with that. And we also have Bitcoin and Ethereum. Told you XRP was going to the 5 second blue line on XRP. Next, we have 10 second buys on Ethereum, Bitcoin. I don't know any other trader that channels all these different things. Buy stop XRP to the 10 second blue line. Told you about the 5 second, telling you about the XRP. You're going to go ahead and do Ethereum also, and I've already told you they're permanent buys. These are really high buy-up buys right here. And these are your buys. These are 10-second buys. Next will be 10-second buys to Ethereum and XRP 10-second blue lines. Looks like Ethereum just crossed it. No, it did not. My bad. There it is. Okay. We're using the Uno reverse indicator, a free upgrade. Once you have the sniper and the sniper rifle, you get this for free. Amazingly accurate, thanks to the great Keith Palmer. Just unbelievably good. See, watch. This is going to go up to here. Doop, 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 to there. This will go back up to here on a ricochet. This green, 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 red. This will fill in the gap. This already went past its previous orange. You'll see Ethereum go past its previous orange line. You'll see these things turn to green over here. And that's XRP will go up to that blue line. You'll see the pink. You'll see this turn to green. You'll see this turn to green. You'll see the yellow be touched by the green. And you'll see price action go up to the blue line. Price action go up to the blue line. I was busy calling gold, so let me go back to gold. Let me save all these too. I don't like when someone touches my stuff. Bookmark all tabs. This is 6, 19, 18, 25. This is the public tabs. You guys think this is a lot? I have more tabs open on my personal side on my other computer screen. I have 51, I think, open on my other one, my computer out on glass. Where was I? Gold, silver. Okay. So silver and gold. Where were we? Gold. Oh, shit. Here's Bitcoin. Up. That's where I called. You're in the money on Bitcoin 10-second buy on it. We're counting it. You'll see. Yep. And there it is. Now you're going to see Ethereum hit its neck. And the XRP hit its 10-second neck. Watch it come up. You're going to see hook up. There it is. Touchdown, Ethereum. Touchdown, Ethereum to the blue line. Bitcoin line. XRP is going to hook. See the green. This will come up and touch its blue line. We have winner, winner, winner again through all three winners. Perfect calls, easy calls. I hope you all making some demo money, baby. Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor. Who's loving the action this morning? Good morning, Kurt. Good morning, Grant. Good morning, GB. Good morning, Sog. Woo! We're making money this morning. Don't worry, we'll go into trading soon. How to do these trades that I'm doing over and over. Hit the thumbs up. Show kind of some thank you, GB. I appreciate you, sir. It did go up and touch the Ethereum. I told you that it would do that. I told you Bitcoin was go up, and I'm telling you right now that XRP is going. Do you notice I trade with authority? Just call me the Eric Hartman of trading. There it is. There it is, baby. Bingo, bango. Told you. Who's all that live? Everybody that wasn't on TikTok. Over there. Sorry, guys. It's so hard to play this thing on TikTok, I swear. But nonetheless, awesomeness. Told you, told you, told you. Those are 10-second and 5-second buy stops. We're dealing with Ethereum, Bitcoin, and XRP. Not only am I calling that, I'm calling for you guys all the indices right here correctly. We have ES1 already made money on, SPX 500, NQ1, all made money, all made money, all made money. US 30, NAS, YM1, all making money still for you right now. YM1 hit its blue line, 2-minute blue line. We're waiting for US 30 to do the same. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. I'm trading 6 different indices at the same time, all correctly. I'm trading gold and silver correctly. I'm trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP correctly. I'm literally live trading 11 symbols correctly. Thanks to God and God alone. You're welcome. All of you are beneficial to what I'm doing. Isn't this fucking incredible? Who else trades like this for you? I don't know. I just don't know. Let's see if I can shrink these down. I know they get so damn small. When I go tiny, man, this thing's like tiny, tiny. Let's see how much room we save with it. Not a lot. Not a lot. No, I'm going to keep it bigger. So how are we going to do this so you guys can see it on TikTok? We need to push this back over, but then we lose so much room right here. Oh, it's terrible. All right, I'll leave it like that. All right, ricochet, buy stop, back to the blue line. XRP back to the 10-second blue line. Listen to the money jingle. Ethereum back to its blue line. I've already called these out for, I forgot, what were they? 10 or 12-hour buy stops, Larry, something like that. Why is my thing not working properly over here? Well, at any rate, there you go. Gorgeous. You're going to see this red get a little deeper. You're going to see Ethereum go down a little further. Then you're going to see this eventually turn to green. You're going to see the pink cross the blue. This will come back up. Price action will come up and touch this blue line. At the same time, you're going to see this green touch the yellow, fill in the gap. We'll go up to the orange line on Bitcoin. At the same time, you're going to see pink come up. This will fill in this gap right here, the space. The green will touch the yellow. Price action will go back to this blue line. This is XRP on the right. I don't know how. Can I make that smaller? There, touchdown, 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 touchdown. There it is. There it is. XRP. Uh-oh. XRP. There you go. XRP as called out. You're welcome, Lazarus. My pleasure to be here. Thank you all for being. You're going to see the next one go. You're going to see. You're going to see. I don't know which one next. Probably Bitcoin go up to orange line next, and then it doesn't matter either or. They're both doing it. Obviously, being formed right here live. Green, red, green, red, green up. Pink cross. We might have Ethereum do it first. Oh, interesting. There goes Bitcoin to the one up. There goes Bitcoin to the orange line. Woo, baby. And there's the fill in the gap complete. The XRP to the blue line. Let me see something really quick. If I can make my little words smaller. I don't know. Show time frame, style, signature, small. No, don't care. Large. Title, large. Let me see. Normal. Does that change that? Oh, that's good. That's good. No good. Let me see if I can make. Oh, Ethereum's okay. You guys can read Ethereum. We can live with that. All right, all right. You have time. You have time for Bitcoin, and you have time for for Ethereum. Look at XRP lead the way. Usually XRP is like SPX, kind of the redheaded stuff. Oh, there it goes. There it is. Who's next? Who's next? Do we have Bitcoin? Oh, Bitcoin to the orange line and Ethereum. Bitcoin and Ethereum to their blue lines and orange lines respectively. Told you, told you, told you, told you, told you, told you. Isn't this fun? Isn't trading great? Touchdown to the blue line's going to go up past here next. See the fill in the gap. See that? Touch that. Told you, told you. This is going to turn to green next. Oh, you're so welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Look at this fun trading 11 symbols live for you all at the same time, all correctly, all making money. Woo! I don't know, but I don't think it's the right Ethereum. Let's see, which Ethereum do we use? It's in the write-up for your rules, but you don't probably have that one. This is Ethereum Coinbase. I think I use everything Coinbase. I'll have to ask Keith that, though, to make sure. Yeah, everything's Coinbase when possible. That's just my personal favorite. Yeah, it's everything Coinbase. All of them are Coinbase. Yeah, baby. Woo! Ricochet. Back to the blue line of Ethereum. Look at, okay, so Bitcoin is leading. Bitcoin's going to go past this previous high. You're going to see this go back to here. Listen to the money talk. Money talk. This is fun. All right, next up we have, oh, shoot, fire, I lost some space there. Can I move this over just a little bit? Can you guys still see? Listen to the money talk. Money talk. There, that'll work for you guys. All right, back to the blue line. Ethereum in the money to the previous high, in the money for Bitcoin. We need 10-second Ethereum. 10-second Ethereum is going to go up past this blue line. This is fantastic. Watch Ethereum go up higher and next. We have to hook. Well, the pink has to hook back down. You're probably going to have a little pullback on price. The blue's going to arch up right now. This is fun. Oh, my God. I do have to get to gold, though. All right, we'll come back to that. Keep watching. It's going to do what I said. Just pay attention. I don't want to leave it. Fine. Oh, yeah. Fill in the gap again. The pink will arch up. Simply the greatest indicator in the history of the world. The most accurate indicator, the indicator that keeps you out of bad trades. You would not take a buy stop when XRP was up high. Buy stop when XRP. There it is. We have touchdown Ethereum to the 10-second. Watch it change. 10-second blue line, Ethereum. Boom, baby, boom. Action to the blue line as called out live. You're welcome. Now let me go back over to gold. Now, gold and silver. I can get to 1 minute. Ethereum. So gold. Minute gold. 1 minute silver. So 1 minute silver. Let me see real quick. All right, don't care. Gold's always a permanent buy stop. I'm just trying to see how low this is going to go for you. Let me go over to the 10-minute. Sell stop gold to the 10-minute blue line. I would never trade a sell stop gold, but I'm calling it for those of you who love to risk things. It already touched it once. It's going to come back down and do that again. I'll put my alert right there for you. Now, let me see where we can get gold again for my buys. Was it a 90? We need gold here, buy negative here. Let's see. Negative. 4-hour buy, stop gold. This is a beautiful play. Free money. You don't usually hear me say free money on gold and silver, but I'm going to start doing that because silver's already past this 4-hour. Buy stop gold, 4-hour. Take profit 1, 3,416. Take profit 2, 3,452. 3,500 on gold. 4-hour buy stop gold. Take any buy stop you can find on gold. Love it. Love the metals only. This is a fantastic thing. All right. Now, that is gold and silver called out for you. Gold is the free money. Love this thing on gold. Absolutely love it. All right. So that takes care of where we at. Look how cute little words. I just love the word thing. That's going to be so helpful later on. All right. Where are we at? Boopity boppity bee, boopity boppity boo. All right, so that takes care of US 30, YM1, NAS, NQ1, SPX 500, ES1, gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, all called out correctly. Next up on our little having fun time, we have Nike. As my system called out Nike, every signal ever called by my signal service is tracked. Every time they're green on 120 different symbols, there's a current trade open on a 3-month buy on Nike. So yes, it's calling out Nike correctly. Next, our sniper rifle. Look at all the tools I've given you guys. This is amazing. 5 second, 10 seconds. Let's go over to the 10 second and see what's going on. There's a difference. If nothing else, you guys can tell the difference between fucking up and down arrows, right? Green and red, right? So this is a sell to the thing. I don't care. Nike is nothing but a permanent buy, would never do it. So I'm going to go back up to here. I see a buy stop, safety trade in blue to the buy stop on a 4-hour. So let's go over to the 4-hour Nike and see what it looks like. Yep. 3-hour Nike. Yep. 5-hour Nike. Yep. 7-hour Nike. 9-hour Nike. 10-hour sell. 10-hour sell. Daily sell Nike. Daily sell Nike to $55. It's already hit the weekly, 3 weekly, monthly. This is where Nike shines. 3-month, 6-month buy stop Nike. I've said this a billion times. Follow it down as it goes down. I don't know where it's exactly at. Just let's just say take profit 1, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Love take profit Nike 110. Love Nike take profit. Eventually it'll go past 180. Let's go to Target. Has my system called out Target 100% accuracy? Let's see. Every signal ever called out by my signal service is tracked through the trade tracker. And yes, you can clearly see that this is an accurate trade every time, all green. There is a current 3-month trade open on demo trade only on Target. This is TGT. And yes, we made a shit ton of money on that one. So then we come over to here and we see that Target right now is getting slammed to the ground, even though I'm calling for a buy. I don't give two fucks. It's going to go up to where I told you it will. Let's go over here and see what's going on, peeps. Target, don't care about any small term right here. This is a monthly, 3-monthly buy stop, 3-month, 6-month buy stop. Love this trade. Target buy stop. First take profit 105. 110, 115, 120, 125, 130. Do we hear 135? We do. Do we hear 135? Do we hear 140, 140, 145? Do we hear 150? Do we hear 155? Do we hear 177? Yes, we do. Target, 177 buy stop. Love the buy on Target. It's going to take months to develop. This is a permanent buy. What does that mean? You can take any 30-minute buy stop you find, which is not right now. When you find these 30-minute buy stops, you can take them all over and over again for the next several years. J&J, has my system called out J&J correctly? Yes, every signal on J&J has been called out correctly by my system. These are closed demo trades in the money. We have a 3-week buy stop in the money. We have a monthly buy stop in the money. We have a 3-month buy stop in the money. All still open. These are open demo trades. My system trades better than 99%. I'm going to be honest with you. My signal service, this right here, trades better than any other trader besides the people who have my system. I don't give a fuck who the other trader is. I'm going to quit being so humble with this shit. These signal callouts are better than any other system, any other trader, and I give God all the glory. Jesus gets all the praise. I'm telling you right now, these signals are never wrong. They trade better than any other trader. If another trader would like to trade against these signals, go ahead and good luck. You're never, it's a 100% win rate. You cannot win. I guess the best thing you can do is you can hope for a tie. Sevens, if I'm clear that the signal service is never wrong, at 120 different symbols I've checked, it's never not made profit. Let me be clear on that. These are never wrong. This is using the sniper to make the trades, and it's never wrong. Sevens popped up. Thank you over there, Ace, Bull, and Lazarus, and everybody. Appreciate you guys, and thank you. Now, getting back to what we're doing, what is it going to do? We're looking at a 4-hour again. Are we on J&J? We are. Let's go over to 4-hour J&J. Buy. Oh, this is the easiest fucking money on earth. Free money giveaway. Free money giveaway. Free demo money giveaway. J&J, Johnson & Johnson. Take profit 1, $154. Take profit 2, $155.50. Take profit 3, $157 on J&J. This is a free money giveaway. This is a free money giveaway. This is going to go to that 4-hour blue line, period. Awesome. To the 5-hour blue line. To the 7-hour blue line. This is gorgeous. Just freaking gorgeous. Yeah, we are looking at a daily sell. I know where we're at. Don't give two fucks. All right, let's go on to the bigger and better. Monthly buy stop. 3 monthly buy stop. Fill in the gap 3 monthly. 6 monthly buy stop. 12-month buy stop. Does have to put it lower on the 12 months. Sorry, peeps, but that's all right. We're going to come over back here. I'm going to make these calls again for J&J. Not only is it a free money giveaway to where I just told you, $160 for the win. Love J&J to 160, 165, 170. Like I told you, 175, 180. Just love J&J. Can't speak highly of it. Demo trade only. Love it, love it, love it. CVS, we've already made a shit ton of money on J&J. I did with some options, by the way. CVS, we've made shit tons of money on CVS. It's just going to go so much higher. CVS, has my system signal service called it out perfectly? Well, you tell me, boss. Do you guys see any red over here on the demo closed trades? No, it's all green. Do you see any red on the open demo trades? No, it's all green. We have 3 open trades, one on the monthly pink sniper, one on the 3-month pink sniper, one on the weekly pink sniper. All in money, money, money. All buys for CVS. So guess what we're going to do? We're going to look for the buys for CVS. If you want me to call a sell, though, I do see one right here. Let me see. 1 minute, 2 minute, 2 minute, or shoes. Let's see. For the 1 minute. There is a sell to the 2 minute blue line on CVS. I'm not playing that. Fuck that shit. We're going to go way up here to the 4 hour daily, and we're going to look for our buy stops. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. To the 12 hour, to the daily. Free money giveaway. Buy stop. Another free money giveaway. You don't know what that means. It means the surest trade you're going to fucking make money on that you're going to ever see in your life. $69. Love it. CVS, $69. CVS, $71. This is free money giveaway for CVS. This is fucking easy right here. Take any buy stop from 1 second through 12 hour till the daily blue line is hit on CVS. Love this trade. Love this trade. I am not a financial advisor. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. Larry Cooper, all green, baby. Yep. This is just fun. They're just giving money away at this point. Yeah, weekly sell. We're going to overlook the weekly sell. Three weekly sell. Three weekly sell. We're skipping over to the 3 month. 3 month buy stop CVS. 6 month buy stop filling the gas CVS. 12 month buy stop CVS. Let me tell you where CVS is going, not CVS. You're going to look at take profit one of $71, $75. Do I hear $77? Do I hear 80? I hear 80. Do I hear 82? I hear 82. Do I hear 85? I hear 85. $85 buy stop CVS. But wait, does it get better than that? How can it get any better than this? $89, $90, $95, $100. Do I hear 105? Do I hear 110? I hear 110. Do I hear 115? I hear 115. 115 buy stop take profit for CVS. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Take any 30-minute buy stop you can find. More money, more money, more money, more money, more money, again and again and again and again. Correct call after correct call after correct call. This is nothing different than when I was calling the Ethereum, the Bitcoin, the XRP, all your indices. Pink will cross the blue, go up. Pink will cross the purple, going up to the blue, orange. This will turn back to green like it did here. Price action will go up above the yellow, up above the orange, and up above the previous two highs right here. This is nothing more, just so we're all clear. This is nothing more than the center. Let me see if I can go up to 6 months to show you. Yeah. This is nothing more than a center of a W right here. So what you're witnessing looks like this. And then it's going to do that. So this is your center. It always breaks the center line. You're going to see price action go up past these things right there. This will fill in the gap right here. You're going to see this thing hook probably not come all the way down and hook come like that. You'll see price action do its thing and go up like that. And that is CVS. Don't worry, I'll teach you all how to read the charts just like I'm doing right now. It's not that hard. It's very easy. All right. Any questions, concerns? I don't see anything. Let's keep on rolling. Who's having fun this morning? L. Has my system called out L correctly? I don't know. Let's take a look. Oh, it has. So we look over to here. You can see 2 closed demo trades green. You can see up here 2 open demo trades all in the money. Right here, you see max pips. You have boom, positive, positive, green, green. 3 month, 1 month sniper, the most important indicator in history of the world. Then we come over to here and we can see that L Estee Lauder looks to me like something's going on at the 15 second. How do I know that? My sniper rifle literally says down and then green. I don't think there's any news. I don't give a fuck if there is. 10-second sell, 15-second buy. Let's see what's going on. There's a difference there. Surely even you guys can see that don't have any experience. 15-second sell. Looks like it just dipped below when it last traded. So let's go up to 30. We're never calling a sell on L. It's always buys. Let's see where our buys are too. Somewhere around here. Yep. Let me see here. Buy stop to the 3 hour blue line. Free money giveaway. $77.04. L buy stop. It has to dip first. This pink and blue has to dip first. Be careful with that. But it's still going to go to that blue line. Price action is going to our bullseye blue line right there. Buy stop to the 3 hour. Buy stop to the 4 hour. $86.36. Buy stop to the 5-hour blue line. Buy stop. These are all free money on L. L, take any buy stop until $89. Boom, baby. Take any buy stop till $89. Let's see the 7-hour. Buy stop L to $101. Buy stop L to the $101. To the 9-hour blue line to $119. Buy stop L, free money giveaway to the 10-hour blue line, $120. Buy stop L to the 12-hour blue line. Buy stop L to $116. Buy stop L. Play any 30-minute buy stops you can find until $150. Look how easy this is. Easy money. Let's go to the weekly now. Yeah, we have a problem there. We're going to pretend like that's not there. Fuck that shit. 3 month, 6 month buy stop. All those were true that I told you we're going to. And then some, 160, 170, 180, 200, 220 buy stop L. Love the L, love the Estee Lauder.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay, next up. Oh, I'm getting tired of calling these. All right. AMD. All right. Does anybody want me to call out AMD, Verizon, SMCI, PFE? Do you guys want me to call those or not? Yes or no? Oh.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Because if you don't, I won't. If the glove don't fit, you gotta quit. I bet you guys don't even know who that's from. Anybody know where that's from? You're gonna have to be old, I'm afraid. If the glove don't fit, you gotta quit. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Verizon says dark lights. Okay. Verizon. Let's take a look at Verizon for dark, shall we? Remember, these are all extremely long-term trades I'm calling now. They're not the 5-second trades. These take forever. All right, Verizon it is. Let's look at Verizon. Has my system called out Verizon correctly? We track every trade, win or lose. Yep. Demo close trade in the green. We have 3 open trades in the money. Already up. So we made money on those trades, all of them perfect. Let's go over to the actual Verizon charts here to see what we shall see. Something happened between the 5-second, 10 seconds of permanent buy. Let's go over to the daily. To me, it looks like we're at a daily buy. Oh, nice. Buy stop daily. Free money giveaway for Verizon. Take profit $43.92. Love it. Edward Clayton. OJ. Yep, you're right. Correct. If you can't, Johnny Cochran, right, Orlando? If you can't, if the glove don't fit, you gotta quit. Guilty as fuck, by the way. Still got it. I really don't think it's a culture thing. I think it's rich. Rich people get away with murder, literally. Blessed morning, Kevin and Brave. Blessed morning to you, D. Jones. I do believe it's White Jones. All right. Free money giveaway, Verizon to the daily blue line. Love that trade. Let me see if we get a 12-hour. No, we cannot. Love it. Weekly, love it. 3 weekly sell. Verizon sell to $32. I'm going to have to call that one. Yeah. But on the bright side of Verizon's news, 3 months, 6 months, 12-month buy stop. Love this 6-month, 12-month buy stop on Verizon. Looks like we already hit take profit one there. $44, $48, $50, $53. Love it. Matter of fact, it's going to go past $60, $62. And that is Verizon. All right, we are just having fun this morning. Made all kinds of fucking money on all the indices. We made all kinds of fucking money on XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin. We made all kinds of money on gold. Let me see what's gold doing. Seems awfully quiet. Let's see, we'll go back to our indices too. Quiet. Buy stop to the 2-minute blue line. All indices. Let me see what we got going on, peeps. Looks like NAS is up to something. 1 second sells. Let's go over to here. Yeah, 5 second. No. 5 second buy stop all indices. I'm not doing the sells. You guys do all the sells you want. Just follow it down. You already know it's a 90-minute buy stop all indices. Oh, I got my hydrogen water. Let me get my sodium bicarbonate. Let's see, hydrogen water. All righty. Let's go ahead and reset the hydrogen water. This is fun. What a great morning. All right. Good morning to everybody on TikTok and YouTube. What are we up to? About 70 people, 75 people through everything. That's nice. Nice. Welcome to everybody on TikTok again. Lazarus, Little Joe, Joe Bigga, Larry, Cooper, Rain Man, Dark Lights, Aussie Trader, It's My Time, Dr. One Fly, Ryan Marcus, user 1570, Annie Apple. What's up, Annie? Thanks for being over here. The Real Banji B. What's up, The Real? Welcome to the channel. What's up, Neil? Welcome, Neil. E Double. Welcome, E Double. User 600 234. Welcome. Jackson Gonzalez. Welcome. Ty McConnelly. Welcome. Everybody, welcome on TikTok and YouTube. We need to get that done. God bless each and everybody here with health and happiness, especially health. We do have a couple of our members with health challenges I'd like to keep in mind and prayers for everybody. One initial starts with KH. She's having some help today, and please pray for her. Keep her in your prayers. We do have a prayer room over here in our Discord that people can post up their different prayers they need, a prayer request, positive vibes, and we do have all kinds of different people that post in here, and we do pray for them all the time, always keeping everybody in the prayers. And I pray for each and every one of those listening that I do not know, and everybody, the new members that are here right now, and I ask your healing blessing upon them, and that they can all stay healthy and their loved ones. And you please, if you would, open up their hearts and souls so they understand how to use my system to make consistently profitable trades. And I thank you for that in Jesus' name. Amen. So that's our little prayer room. And you go, what does prayer have to do with trading? I don't give a fuck. It's my room. I'm allowed to do it. Oh, but you cuss. You're not a good. I don't give a fuck about that either. I'm not perfect. We're here as human beings, flawed human beings. Try to help each other out while we're here in this world. Trying my best to help you all make consistent profits, doing everything I can. This is my site. I keep forgetting to bring this up. I don't even know if I brought this up yesterday. TheSafetyTrade.com is the site. 575. We're no longer doing one-on-ones. You can get the email sign up there. You can get the crypto edition only, the gold edition only, the OG, the Safety Trade System OG. Controls and has crypto in it. You don't need to get it if you're one of the members. You don't need to get the gold edition. But if you only trade gold or metals, this is perfect for you. It's a lot cheaper. If you only trade cryptos, this is a lot cheaper. You can get the crypto onlys now, and it's unbelievably effective. It comes with everything. There you go. We do have rules to trade, exactly what to do in the rules. My only goal, and this should be up. I need to list this right here. My only goal is to get each and every one of you retired. I've been able to get D Nice, Markle Risby, Kimberly Harrington, Maria Toller, Mr. Gold, Adam S., Josh, who's I think he's on the other day, Tommy can retire, and Jay could retire. Congratulations to one member who now owns his own regulated brokerage firm in Norway, Goroff. He literally has his own, where's it at? This one. There it is. Hero Markets. This is one of our members. Done so well over the last 3 years with the system. He has spent hundreds of thousands of dollars in 3 years getting regulated by the government of Norway, and he is now a regulated broker with them. That's how consistency is. How his consistency is. I wonder if Americans can open up an account there. He does have Forex, commodities, indices. Hey, Goroff, when you hear this, message me or DM me in the Discord, please. Yeah. This is awesome. This is his. Isn't that cool what he accomplished? Very proud of him. And Goroff is, a good trader. He's about, I would say, above average trader with my system. I mean, we have traders like Tommy who, are, I think, a tad bit whatever. But, you know, either way, I'm very proud of him for doing that. And I'd love to get each and every one of you listening to be able to get retired, to be so consistent. Tracy Ann Davis. Good morning, Tracy Ann Davis. I'm so incredibly grateful for the prayers. Praying for you all the time, Emily. You know that, and your family. Kirk Brown. That's amazing. I know, isn't that amazing? What's up, KJ Palmer? Good morning to KJ Palmer. Good morning to Tracy Ann Davis. KJ Palmer's been blessing us with his help. He's helped us with the website. Do I have it over there or just here? We're kind. KJ. KJ said again. What the hell? Can we take off this initial thing right here? Let me show. Okay, right. Can we take that off right there? Just keep it on the bottom, please. That thing right there. About the creator, I'll change the wording on that. Achieve consistent profits. Patent pending. It is not a patent pending. It is a trademark. We don't have it pending. We actually have the trademark of this. The patent pending is thing we don't have to put legally enforced on there either, but we'll get to that. Let's see. Woo, baby, I love it. Look at that. Awesome job. And then the ultimate trading system, yeah, all the wording I got to change. Our mission, yeah, I got to change. So helping you achieve financial freedom, yeah, we need to add in about, our whole mission is that. That's what it is, to help you. And I want us to get you retired. I don't want to say help you financial freedom. I want us to help you retire, consistent results. The indicators are so cool. Thank you for adding the words on there and getting them to roll smoothly. If there's any news, fuck the news. We're not trading it. We need to add those new people to the retired through our system part. And subscribe today. And this is fine down here. Thank you very much for all your hard work on this. We're just getting this set up to get, we're getting this website set up for TradingView, actually. They're special. Looks so good. Yay, thank you. All right, and that is because of Keystone, KJ Palmer. I'll be up there soon enough. Rinky, I ask blessings upon Rinky and everyone listening that they can get retired from using my system. I really love to add tons more names. There is tons more names. Shit, I forgot. We have people making several $100s a week. Rocket, Larry C, and Harry are all doing that. So we got to add them to the list too, also, by the way. KJ. But you all should be thanking KJ for his hard work. He's the one that does all the work for your signal rooms. So KJ adds all the alerts and through the different things from TradingView to the signal room, and KJ does that for us. So thank you again, KJ. Stand up. Yay. Please pray for all of our members today who are receiving treatment. Did I spell any of that right? I think so. Thank you. Okay. Well, and just posting that up. But the signal room is what KJ's working on right here and always helps us with. I think we have we're getting the crypto and gold rooms to get theirs. We're getting the Uno reverse to get theirs now. We're working on that. Okay. D Jones looking nice. Thank you, D Jones. Dwight. All right. Let's go back to trading. Does anybody have any symbols they personally want me to call out? Does anybody have any symbols they want me to call it? Everybody has time for these 2-minute buys. I don't want to hear shit. Everybody has time for the 1-minute buy stops. I don't want to hear shit. Everybody has time. SPX, we have SPX 1-minute buy stop to the blue line. We have ES1 1-minute buy stop to the blue line. We have US 30 and YM1 1-minute buy stops to the blue line. You all have time. I don't want to hear it. Let it go down, follow it down, and we'll rise back up on the way up. Does anybody have any symbols they'd like me to call? You know what I can do? Let me go over to here. And let's go over to here. And let me try my new way of writing things. Let's see. How do I... Shit, hold on a second. I'm learning. Let me block blocks. Because now, why is it down there and not up there? Let's grab this sucker and see if we can move it. There you go. You name a symbol, I'll call. How cute. I love how this is doing this. There you go. Here, guys, I bet y'all can read that. All right, we'll leave that there for a minute. Cancel. Oh, shit. Hold on. And let's see. There we go. Do. All done. Okay, all done with that. Nobody has any symbols you want me to call? Damn, I called them all out. Called gold, silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, ES1, NQ1, YM1, US 30, NAS, and SPX. Good morning, John Parker. You missed some fun stuff, John. We made a whole bunch of great calls already this morning. Buy stop, all indices to their 1-minute blue lines. Love the trade. Oh, good. They're all flipping. Oh, we started. There we go. Look at this. This is so fucking cool. This is the logic he's put in. And time freeze turn. Look at the calls. Oh my God, this is so good. Now, I don't remember what my settings are on this. Hold on. What are my settings? Require US 30. Now we'll leave that off. All right. So what you're witnessing here, I'm going to teach you guys how to use the Uno. You're witnessing that everything just turned to red from 30 second, 15 second, 10 second, 5 second, and 1 second. So you're seeing that all these were red. So that's the start. Then when these flip over to green, the 5 seconds flip over to green, and then we have 3 out of the 5, 10 seconds turn to green, it'll call the buy stop if it happens that way. So let me go back to this one. So when you, I don't see the start signal one. Well, wherever the start one is, I can't see it. It would have been right here. The last time it did, there it is. The start is right here. Nothing, 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 nothing. And then it tells you the first time frame changed to green, right? Boom. And then called out your buy stops. Now it's starting. All turned to green. See, here it is. There it is. There it is. It's so awesome. So now you see the start of the logic. The AI flipped itself on. The great Keith Palmer coded this. And then it's saying that the first one's all turned to green. Now it's going to start scanning to see if there's any 3 out of the 5 that are turned to green on the 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, 30-second, and so on. I wonder if we just stay here for a minute. Will you guys get too bored? Let's see if we can see this flip. And then you're going to see the call outs. It is so amazing. It is so fucking amazing. Another Uno start, says John. There you go. John's on it. I think John's in love with the Uno reverse and his brother Matt. I think they love it. Which they should. Oh, NQ1 10-second. NQ1 10-second. NQ1 10-second. Let's see what's going on the 10-second charts. And we'll see if this is a correct call or not. Matter of fact, let me leave that up. Hold on. We're going to leave this up. We're going to go over to these charts and we're going to do it 10-second. So remember, it called the NQ1 10-second buy, and it was correct. And now you're in the money on the 10-second buy. See, look, there it goes. There it goes up. This is the power of what. There it is. ES1 right here. It called it out. Look what it called. This is live. This is not pretend. This is not. You have the start of it. I told you. Green turn to the 1-second. Then you have the 15-second. Hold on, I can't see. Oh shit. 15-second buy, stop, and then end. They all. So you get in, kept one trade open on the 15-second buy, and they all flipped. And everyone sees the power of that. Is that not the coolest, most amazing coding you have ever seen? Keith took my brain and coded it for you guys. Absolutely stunningly amazing. Doesn't get any better than that. Doesn't get any better than that. Doesn't get any better than that. That was amazing. Now, if they'll all turn to red again, they'll do it. He'll do it again. It'll show you again. How fucking cool. Now, when you're dealing with 5-second, 10-second trades, they're not going to be earth-shattering amounts of money.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Look, 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 look. If we can get these to fill in red, if we can get these to fill in red, did it do it? Did it do it again? Hold on. Let's see something. I might have did it again. It did. Now, if and when these flip back to green, you see there's another start. There it is again. See. So now Keith's logic is following it. So what happens is the 30 seconds all turn red again. So now what do? Now we go ahead and wait. We're going to wait for them all to turn green, and then you're going to see these 5 seconds, the other 5 again. Then it will come up with first time frame green, and then the NAS. It'll be a bigger buy this next time through. And then that's it. And then it's going to keep thinking logically for you guys over and over and over again, waiting and hopefully seeing these flip back around again. And you'll do it again. This is amazing. What you're witnessing is amazing. Fucking life-changing. It started again. What's up, Marley Mar? I hope you got my email this morning. Mario. Okay, we still have sell stop to the 5-minute blue line for NQ1. You still have a sell stop for that, but I don't play the sells. You guys can do any sells you want. Matter of fact, if I had to gather a guess, we're going to see a sell to the 15-minute blue line today. Let me check that for you. But I think we're going to see a sell to the 15-minute blue line on all indices. But I never play the sells. I'll be looking for the reversal with my Uno reverse. And we'll be playing the buy stops only, and they're 90-minute buy stops right now on all indices, 90-minute buy stops. This is so much fun. So it's thinking. So now it's waiting and watching. Hey, don't I get my emails? You guys don't, but I do. Hold on. Yeah, let me see something real quick here. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. Ethereum crossing. I might have turned that off on these. Hold on. I would require US 30 to be one of these to avoid any. So if we flip that on right there, you can set your intervals to pause. I wouldn't change that. We don't need the blue line on. Hit that. Okay, there we go. Awesome. Awesome. All right. So we'll wait and see till these turn to green. Hopefully I'll get my alert over here. Let me show you in here real quick. Let me go over to here and show you something quick. I don't know if I want to pull that over. Currently, we've had correct call outs 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So we've had about a dozen call outs. Let me show you real quick here. This morning, these are the emails I get when my trading view alerts go off. And those are all of them right there. So there you go. Bitcoin, we made money on ES1, NQ1, NAS, US30, SPX, SPX, YM1, US30, XRP, and Ethereum have all made money. And that's the alerts I get when I see them. I'll probably pull those up for you every time. Now I hope we get the alert on the 1 second so I can go look at other things. It's something else, no doubt about the state trade system. Thank you, Artemis Luna. Marley Mar, yes, I did. Great, Marley Mar. You too, sir. Just a beauty. Yep. All right. Well, while we're waiting for this paint to dry and for that to flip, let's go ahead and get back to it. What time is it? 8:44. Yeah, we have time. All right. If anybody has any other symbols they want me to check, please ask. Let me see if I have that little thing right there. I just thought this is going to be so fucking cool. Oh, this is right here. Yeah. You name a symbol, I'll call it. Just throw that out there. I'm going to do a little training, though, if I don't hear from a symbol for you guys. A little Bitcoin, a little gold. Buy, I'm telling you, this is free money right here. I think you're already in the money. This gold free money giveaway, gold 4-hour buy stop. I mean, you couldn't ask for better. Oh, gorgeous buy on gold. That's how I'd be looking at these trades. Next. Bitcoin, yep. Fall, dip, 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 dip. What is this? 247.20. Ethereum. Let's go to Ethereum. Yeah, it was a 9-hour buy. 10-hour buy, Ethereum. 12-hour buy. 12-hour buy to the blue line. 12-hour buy to the blue line. Bitcoin 12-hour buy. Yeah, you're seeing this XRP sell right here. I'm not calling it. It is a daily, weekly buy stop for XRP and also all cryptos, Ethereum, Bitcoin, all cryptos that we trade. Love it. And I'm sticking with that, and that's where it's staying. All right. No symbols for you guys. Cash out successful, cash out successful, cash out successful. Awesome. Now, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP is in the name of the title today, How to Trade 101. A, buy the crypto-only system. You come over to here. You get the crypto-only edition right here. You can learn more about it right here. Click on it. The crypto edition. I can move this over for TikTokers. Crypto edition. It's $250 a month. Includes everything. Crypto. If you only trade crypto, especially Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP, you'll love this one. Works on any crypto you want. Solana, Doge, doesn't matter. Includes every system. It includes the core system indicators, including the blue line, the 3 EMAs. I'll explain what those are really quickly. The one color change EMA, the color change candles, the Bach indicator, the DS indicator, 3 real direction bars, all of them. It includes the sniper indicator. Simply put, the sniper is the most accurate and important indicator made because it tells you exactly where to enter a trade, where to put your stop loss, when to take profit, and when not to enter a trade. It's included. Sniper rifles included. The Uno Reaper included. The crypto signal service is included. Crypto only signal service. Okay. And all that's $250 a month. So if you like cryptos, that's one thing for you. When you sign up, you'll be trained every other Monday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You'll get a set of rules, and then you'll be trained on how to use it. And this is how you would use it once you have this. You go literally, you'll put your charts and make them up exactly like this. You'll get this cool indicator. Move this a little bit over so you guys can see this now on TikTok. You'll see that it's up. I have to take that off so you don't see it. Anyway, it's set up for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP. The sniper is always being checked because it's simply the most important indicator in the history of the world. You'll have this set up. You can see clearly everything's turned to red. A little confused on why there's that space there. Hold on a second. 1 minute, 3 minutes. Nope, that's correct. I don't know. I've asked Keith on that one. He might have did something. And you come over to here. You'll see that there's buy stops forming on the 720. So the 6 hour and then the 7 hour, 8. So the buy stops forming right here. And you can clearly see that there's a sell to the daily I mean, a buy on the daily on XRP. So let's go over here and start looking. We can go here and here. We can go to the daily XRP and see what we see. Yep, there's the daily. And there's the daily, weekly buy stop XRP. I've already told you where that's going to be headed. So that's going to go up to the orange line here and here. So how you read this right here, I would always play the higher time frames of the cryptos are so easy. You can clearly see that this one right here on Ethereum is odd. So let's go over to Ethereum and see why is Ethereum under its 12-hour-ish. And then why is, there we go. And then why is Bitcoin over its 12-hour? And then let's go over to here and see. And then why is XRP over its 12-hour? So if I was to look at this, that buy stop in red, right? It just means there's a buy stop forming green, 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 red, green, green. It's a buy stop forming right now. It doesn't matter whether that's green or red. It's just telling you that it was going below the blue line. So you have a buy stop to the blue line when you see it. It's in red like this. So this is easy money. I'm saying free money giveaway. Take profit 2,546, 2,580, 2,618, 2,700, might as well just say. And that's Ethereum. Bitcoin will go up, XRP will go up, but Ethereum is your buy stop to the blue line at the 720-minute mark. Okay. So the 12-hour mark is a buy stop for both. See Bitcoin, green, 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 red, green, green, but it's above the blue line. This is a buy stop on Ethereum on a 12-hour green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop to the blue line. Can you see the XRP isn't a buy stop, but it is because the other two are overruling it. But it's above. Okay, all time frames turn green. You see that alert down here for those of you on your look. We have a reversal. Let's go over to our reversal. There you go. There you go. There you go. Oh my God, this is so. SPX 5-second buy stop to the blue line. SPX, there it is filled in. 10-second buys to the blue line, all indices to the 10-second blue line, all indices. Wow. SPX 5-second buy stop. Oh, you gotta love it. Keith, you're the man, baby. Who loves Keith? Well, he's a good person anyways, but look at this shit. Look at this shit. Oh, baby. All time frame. Boom. 5 seconds right there. Called it perfectly. Called it perfectly. You are witnessing history. Everyone will be using this system. Everyone will be using this scanner. Matter of fact, we're already automating this into a full-fledged auto thingy. So, wow, this is awesome. And there you go. So someone just asked for NQ. NQ has been looked at and always trained. There's my alerts. That's what I was looking for. There you go. Gorgeous. Lunar reversal the 4th time. Nice. Let me go back to TikTok. I thought I saw an NQ. What's up, Azar? Good morning, Azar. SPX 10-second, 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 SPX 10-second buy stop to the blue. There it is. 10-second buy stop to the blue line, correct. And ES1, yep, ES1 too. You can clearly see that. Now it's going to be calling out the 15-second buy stops. Let me see next. NAS maybe. Let's see if we can go over to NAS. NAS to the 15-second blue line, and it hit. Yep, yep. This is just perfect. Gorgeous. Look at this shit. Wow. What you're witnessing is just fucking amazing. CSPX. Gorgeous trades. All right. So again, You guys can trade those, or you can go up into the 3-minute NQ1. 3-minute NQ1 is a sell stop to the blue line. NQ1 is a 3-minute sell stop to the blue line. I don't do the sells. You can take all the sell. It's going to reset again. It's going to reset again. I don't take any of the sells. Feel free to take them if you like. I'm going to patiently wait today. Matter of fact, I'm pretty sure it open will either get that big push up or down. We'll wait for that time right there. Buy stop 7-minute NQ1. Buy stop 90-minute NQ1. Buy stop 90-minute SPX. Buy stop ES1 90-minute. Buy stop 90-minute YM1. And buy stop US 30 90-minute. Actually, it's a little higher. I think it's a 2-hour. 5-hour. 7-hour. 9-hour. 10-hour. 10-hour. 12-hour daily. 12-hour daily buy stop US 30. YM1, 10-hour daily buy stop YM1. NAS. That's a tough call. I can't see. 5-hour maybe? Let me see NQ1. We'll go 4-hour buy stop NQ1 NAS. Hold on. Yeah, 5-hour buy stop SPX 500. 3-hour maybe? No. 2-hour? 2-hour buy stop ES1, and that covers all your indices.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
So it's 30-second reversal, Ricky says. Good morning, Brian Claus. Good morning, Ricky. Yeah, it's going to catch it again when these turn back to 1 second green. I fully expect that'll happen right after open or at open. If you'd like to play the sells, I do believe you're going to be seeing the sells go all the way down to the 15-minute today, later today. Whether they do that at 10:30 or 2:30, I think you're going to see that, and then you'll see the reversal. I think they're going to do a little push up here for us at open first, though. The hell is this thing? The hell was that for? All right. Now, I'll look at US 30. US 30 can be a big old buy here. Yeah, that's why US 30 is the highest one. This is awesome. US 30, 10-hour, 12-hour buy stop, 12-hour daily buy stop. Yeah, this is your best one. It's going to be the biggest mover up. The reason why US 30 is still a buy, by the way, in case some of you forgot, you go over to the weekly. We go over to the weekly US 30. Why are these things showing up? And this is a weekly buy stop US 30 to the orange line to 43,468. Also take profit 43,568. Also take profit 44,973. Also take profit 45,000. This is a buy stop on US 30 weekly. And that means NAS, NQ1, SPX, and ES1 will all be going up also. Let me see if I can make these a little smaller while we're at it. Let's make. There we go. Give me 1 second here. I had it this way. I must save this. Let me save this next one. Do 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 do. Does anybody have any other symbols they'd like me to check out for you before market open? I'll gladly do that. Yesterday we got nothing but training in. Today we got mostly trading and just a little training. Oops, that's too big. Well, I don't mind that one being bigger actually. All right, let's save this. Let's go ahead and rename it. Make a copy of that. And then save. And then let's bring that back out of there. We don't need that. Go back out and go back right here and let's rename this. Yeah. Save. Okay. Weekly buy. So how many pips do we have to go up from where we're currently at as it's falling? We have a lot. We have about 1,300. We have about 1,800 pips to go. Love the trade. You know, look into it, do your own stuff, blah, blah, blah. All right. That's USME security. Yeah, same here too. We still have to go up on the YM1. They're virtually the same. Yep. All right, let's go back here. Let me check gold. I mean, gold is just so beautiful. 4-hour buy stop gold. Let's see if I can get gold over here and come back over to here. And let's go to gold. And let's see what we have on gold. Gold has been called out all for the last 3 years by my system with no mistakes. There's an open monthly, 3-monthly trade open from 2023 on gold. Back when gold was at $1,860. Again, my system trades the signal service better than 99% of all of it, not 100%, including me, by the way. It's non-emotional. Let's see this 5-minute, 3-minute. Buy stop gold to the 3-minute blue line. Love the trade. 3,391 take profit. Buy stop gold to the 5-minute blue line is pretty much there, but you can still take the trade. Demo trade only, of course. And the reason why I can see that so quickly is because we have the sniper rifle and you can clearly see that these do not belong. All green, a red arrow down, a red arrow down, all green. Buy stop to the 3-minute blue line, all indices, gold. Let me go back up to our 3-hour right here. Oh yeah, I love the trade. 3-hour gold buy stop, 3,418, 3,450. Love the trade. This is prime pickings right here. 3-hour buy stop gold.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Julius on TikTok and Dark Lights on TikTok. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. All right. No one has any symbols they want me to check this morning? Please ask if you do. Love this gold buy. Simple, simple, simple. Easy, easy pickings. Oh, can't wait. We're going to go to a new Outback that was just opened in our neighborhood. We have an Outback up the street, and then we have an Outback close. They don't use any seed oils on their steaks, so that is a plus. Outback, that is. So hopefully we'll go to that. I think we're going to go to the chiropractor today. Gym today. All kinds of fun stuff. And you check HBAR Coinbase. Yes, Tracy Ann Davis, I will. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, KJ. HBAR. Let's take a look at HBAR for Tracy Ann Davis. All right. Let's take a look at HBAR. Oop. Don't we have it on something already? Yeah, pink one, right. All right. Has my system called out HBAR correctly? Let's take a look. This is a signal service right here. Max, yep, made a correct call in a demo. It's open. Jeez, oh pizza. Sunday, October 20th, my birthday. It ended a trade on 2024, and it's still in that trade on a 3-weekly buy stop, up a shit ton. Wow, that's a really good trade. Let me see what that's about. HBAR getting crushed, getting slammed, 1 hour, 4 hour. Let's see if I can call it daily. Ooh, getting annihilated. Weekly. Beautiful weeklies and 3-weekly. It is a weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. I can't really call the higher time frames. I don't like that. Looks like it's got to go down more, still hooking down. It's already below the 4 hour. Let me see if it's already a 7 hour, 9 hour, 10 hour, 12 hour. Daily. Or is it daily? Doesn't have a daily. It doesn't have enough history for a daily. Damn. Yeah, it's still in a hard sell right here. Looks like it took a long time to get out of it the last time it was in this kind of thing. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and call this for you, even though I'm not super comfortable. It is a daily, weekly buy stop, and it needs to drop more. 14 cents. I can see it going down to like 12 cents. Yeah, I don't think it's going down there again. But anyway, follow it down, take profit one when it flips. 15 cents, 17 cents, 18 cents, 20, 22 cents, 26 cents. Yeah, I think it's going to take a minute to get there, but it looks like it's going to flip long term. These are weekly trades. The last time it did this, it took July 2024 to November, so about 5 months. So the last time it took, 4 or 5 months for this to flip and go back up. Keep that in mind. Is gold? No, gold's never a sell, Aussie trader. I'll never call gold a sell. Well, until the daily flips, then I'll call gold a sell, but it's not a sell. No, absolutely not. I hope that helps you with HBAR.
Demo trade only.
Now, if you mean unofficially, is it a 10-minute sell? Yeah, but I'm not. It is, but you do with that knowledge as you please. I've already hit it once, twice, 3, 4, 5 times. Nah, you can play a sell on gold. I'm never playing a sell on gold. I thought I have. Don't I have my little thing on that? Again, I'll call them for you. Doesn't mean that I accept that as an actual thing. There, I do not. That is not an official call. I mean, we'll call it blah blah. Gold is never a sell. Let me see if I. Oh, I didn't list gold on here. I'll have to redo this. You can play for the next 2 years any 30-minute buy stops on Nike, Target, CVS, AMD, Verizon, PFE, and J&J. I mean, you can't get more specific than that. But yeah, gold is never a sell. Never a sell. Never a sell. Oh. Thanks for sending a gift, but you can save your money. There's no need to do that. Who is that? Appreciate you. Ah, just sent an invitation. Sent. No, I want to know who it is. Well, thank you for ever sending a gift. You don't need to do that, though. Save your money. 007. Give me something good. What's up, Stacy? What's up, Julius? Good morning, Dark Lights. Morning, everybody on TikTok. Who are you? 007 KPA. Literally just told you gold's never a sell. Literally just told you what symbols you can trade for the next 2 freaking years. I'm pretty sure that's pretty good. What else would you like to know? Told you where everything was going to go. We've made over 14 correct calls this morning. Correctly called out ES1 multiple times and still going to do it, by the way. Here's another one. Take any buy stop you want on all the indices, ES1, SPX 500, NQ1, NAS 100, US 30 for the next 1,000 pips going up on a buy stop. If you don't want a buy stop, it's future pending order on US 30. US 30 will be going to its orange line right here, just like NAS is done, NQ is done, SPX is done, and ES1 is done. And that goes doubly, same thing for YM. They're all indices are the exact same. There's no difference between any indices ever. They're all exactly the same. Gold. There's gold going up. Told you. There's gold going up on the 10-second. Free money. Buy stop silver to the 10-second blue line. Buy stop silver towards the 10-second blue line. They profit $37.10. $37.10. Buy stop silver to the 5-second blue line. Yes, we play 5-second trades here and 1-second trades here, and yes, they're correct. There we go. You're going to have to wait for the pullback here. The pink and blue are going to come down, hook just like they did here. You're going to see a space fill in here. You're going to see price action come down, then it will hook and come back up again later. And there's your 5-second buy stop to the blue line called out by the thing, and there you go. Nice. All right. How much time for our 18 minutes, about 17 minutes to market open. Remember,
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
And do not play market open. You're going to get your ass handed to you. Just have fun, pretend, do your demo trades only. You don't need to horse shit around with it. Trust me. Yesterday, I called market open without even looking at it. Literally, I wasn't even watching the charts, and I called the buy stops in all indices. We'll be doing the similar thing today, except I'll be watching the charts for you. There it is. You're in the money on the silver buy and the gold buy. Anybody else? Tracy Ann Davis, do you have anything else you want me to check? Rinky, Aussie Trader, KJ, Marley Mar, anybody have anything else you want me to check for y'all? There it is. There's gold to the 5-second blue line as called out. I mean, silver to the 5-second blue line out. Told you where it was going out. Before you were going out. There it is. There it is. There it is. There's silver to the 5-second blue line. Where it's silver going to its second blue line, like I told you it will. And there it is to the 5-second. You want something good? That's something great. I just told you a trade before it happened, and I'm telling you a trade on all other indices. Just get the system, trust the system, and you're going to do really well. There it is. This will turn to green. There it is to green. This next stop will be to the 10-second blue line. That is silver. I'm good, homie. You already checked my big three, says Rinky. Nice, Rinky. I'm good, homie. I've never been called before. I love it. Brian Claus, EUR USD. Sure, I'll check the biggest currency pair ever traded in the history of the world. $7.2 trillion a day business, EUR USD. But there it is. How many people were impressed that I just called silver to the 5-second blue line, sat here, told you the pink was going to cross the blue, told you that that gap was filling, and told you it would go to the 5-second. Anybody here impressed with that? I'm impressed with that. Gee, I wonder if it's going to the 10-second blue line next. Yes, it is. It'll be going here. I'll add my alert. We'll come back to it. All right, he wants me to check EUR USD. Sure. EUR USD, first of all, is the biggest currency pair ever. I used to trade it, but it's a shit pair to trade. It's very shitty. It's just not good. EUR USD. I'll go to forex.com. I usually like Orlando, though. We'll do Orlando. All right, has my system called out EUR USD correctly in the past? Yep. 3 closed demo trades, all green. Green means money. You made money on them. Currently, you're looking at the rifle. Let's see what it's doing. 1 second, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 50 seconds. It's only going to be a buy, but let's see what's happening. 5 seconds. Buy stop to the blue line, EUR USD. It's going to hook, come down, rehook, come back up. It's going to go to the 5-second blue line. Pink cross blue, green, 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 red. It's going to come up to there and touch that again. 10 second, 5 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 1 minute buy, 1 minute, 1 minute buy, 1 minute buy to the 2-minute blue line. EUR USD right here. It's going to go right to there. 3 minute. 3-minute buy to the 3-minute blue line. 7, 7, 10, 10, 15, 30, 90, 90, 1 hour. Nope, 3 hours, 3 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour, 4 hour buy stop. EUR USD. Take profit right here. 1.15666. 5 hours, 5 hours, 7 hour, 9 hour, 9 hour, 10 hour, 10 hour daily, daily, weekly, daily, weekly. Weekly. Buy stop to the weekly blue line, EUR USD. Love the trade. 1.19357. Love the trade. 3 weekly, monthly sell. Oh, geez. Monthly sell, 3 months sell. There's got to be a buy in there. It is not. Nope, ain't calling it. All right. I'll stick with what I just called. To the weekly blue line, buy stop, EUR USD.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Keith Palmer. What's up, Keith? Hope you slept, my brother. Good morning, Keith Palmer. This is Keith Palmer, the great Keith Palmer. Put some respect on his name. Bitcoin crossing back to what we call it. The Bitcoin stuff. Keith, we've been having fun all morning, big. Blast. And just follow this down. We don't care about any sells. Just wait for the buys later on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. But we've been having a blast, Keith. Nothing but money going off. You're welcome, Brian. Everyone should be thanking Keith Palmer. He's the one that makes these takes my brain somehow, puts it into this thing, makes these outstanding indicators here, 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 here. This is because of Keith Palmer. You guys need to be thanking him for doing the coding on this. Thank you, Keith. Can't thank him enough. All right, market open in about 10, 12 minutes, 11 minutes. I'm going to go right after market open. I'm not staying on today. Oh, got to get ready. We can go work out, baby. I'm going to head out. Thanks, Coach. Thank you, Riki, for being here. Have a great day, Rinky. Rinky dinky. Buy stop 10 seconds silver. Take profit here. Follow it down. Rinky stinky. Rinky linky. Gold. Yeah, beautiful gold. Follow it down. You too, homie. I love Rinky. Song says, thank you, Keith. Brian Claus says, thank you, Keith. Jay Parker says, John says, yo, Keith. Do not play market open.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
If you're going to try to play market open, I would not recommend that. The market moves too fast. My sound delays are too fast. I'll be in and out of trades. Probably not going to be trading this morning, but be out of trade. 5 seconds silver to the blue line is engaged. You get take profit again. 10-second buy stop gold and silver. You're going to see pink cross the blue. You're going to see this turn to green. You're going to see price action go above this orange line. You're going to see the same thing over here. Pink cross the blue. This will turn to green and we'll go past its orange line. Matter of fact, you already have it. There you go. There you go. Touchdown gold. There's silver. Silver to just take profit. US 30 crossing. YM1. Let's go over to our other. God, this is just so much fun. There you go. Let's go down to much time frame. Maybe a 15 seconds. There you go. 15 seconds all in profit. YM in profit. 1 minute in profit. To the 2-minute blue line. Buy stop all indices to the 2-minute blue line. Buy stop all indices to the 2-minute blue line. The 1-minute blue line has been hit by all indices. All take profit. All called out live. All called out live. There you go. You're in the money on US 30, taking it to the next level. Let's go to the 2-minute blue line. Buy stop all indices to the 2-minute blue line. First will be NQ1 already there. Second will be NAS already there. I think third, you're going to see, you're going to see ES1 and thing. That's incredible. That doesn't usually happen. Here you go. SPX crossing. SPX going up. Scott, 2-minute blue line, baby. 2-minute blue line for US 30. 2-minute blue line. Told you, told you, told you. For YM1, US blue line, YM1 blue line. We are calling out here. Do we hear 2 minutes? Do we hear 2-minute buy? Do we hear take profit? Do we hear take profit here? Told you before market open it would do this. It's doing it higher. And there you go. You can look for the sell later on today. There you go. Wow. Easy money. That is money again on ES1, SPX, NQ1, NAS, and US 30 all made shit tons of fucking money on those symbols. Awesome job on that. Let's go over here to Ethereum and Bitcoin. No, you already made money on the buys. Just wait for it to flip. It'll turn and go into buys again. Money on gold and silver. Oh, look at silver. Let's see what we can catch on silver. Maybe in 1 minute. 3-minute sell, 1 minute sell to the, where are we going to it? I'm not calling that. 1 minute sell to the 2-minute blue line, but I'm not calling where it's going to. 7-minute, 10-minute, 15-minute, 30-minute. Yeah, 30-minute buy stop, silver, love it. 10-second buy stop, gold, love it. But we're going to go back to silver. Let's go over to here. Silver. Buy stop silver, take profit 1, $37.12. $37.17, $37.24, $37.29, and that's silver on a 30-minute buy stop. Joe Bigga. What's up, Joe? Tracy Ann. Oh, 9:23. So about 7 minutes, 6 minutes to market open. Why is this charger sucking so bad that it's not charging? Damn, fucking taking forever. All right. Anybody have any symbols I can check for quick for you? If not, 30-minute buy stop silver, free money, easy money. Look for any buy stop you can on silver and gold, and you can take that demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Which, what the fuck my things are? Aha, there it is. Ta-da. That should have been up, my bad. Any other symbols you guys want me to check? Ask now before market open in about 2 minutes though, I can't check anything. I'm going to stay on the symbols themselves. You too, homie. I love it. You go, Rinky. All right, let me go back over to here and see what we have going on with our US 30. Looks like we have a little NAS play right here. Nice. Going below, ricochet, and Q1. Let's see what nice. Get some nice pullback. Let's hopefully we have a nice pull down on the next few minutes. 10-second buy stop. Look, fucking thing trades just as good as I do. I swear, Keith. 10-second buy stops. 15-second buy. Yeah. 15-second buy. 30-second buy stop to the blue line, US 30. I can't even get the words out of my mouth and the thing changes it. That's too funny. There you go. This is going to go up. This will change right. You'll see this change to red. We're going to watch US 30 and SPX really closely at open. You want to pull back on those? What the hell is being called out? What signal is being called out? I don't know what signal that was. What signal was called? SPX crossing. Oh, okay. That was weird. Okay. So we're going to wait for these ones. Let's hope for a little pullback now before market open over the next several minutes. And then we're going to do a buy stop to the 30-second blue line for SPX, ES1, and US 30. Oh, let me see if I can see YM1. Hold on. Same. Fuck. Let's see if we're getting a little pullback now. 3 minutes to market open. Everyone hold on to your underwear. Make sure that you're ready to go. This market will move up and down, hopefully very, very fast. Let me get rid of these ones. Do not play market open. Demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
I'm going to call these trades really quick. Buy stop to the 30-second blue line, US 30, SPX, and ES1. I'm going to be going back and forth between these. Let me see if I can get a little better entry. Yeah, 15 seconds. That works. There you go. Let's make a little noise. Rinky dinky, stinky linky, da 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 da. Rinky dinky, stinky linky. There we go. There's a little pullback for SPX. There we go. Here we go. Here we go now. Here we go. I actually made so many. There's the dip down. Dip diddy doo da day. There you go. You're going to be able to get back on this trade. Back to US 30. All right. Stay right here. US 30 buy stop. 30-second. And then look for SPX to be a buy stop. Gold crossing. Silver crossing. Hold on. There you go. There you go. Silver buy stop in the money. Gold 30-minute buy stop in the money. Told you it was going back to its 10-second. Told you. There it is. 10-second. Hit the 10-second blue line. Told you. Next stop on silver, 15-second blue line. You're welcome on that trade. Thank God and God alone. Boom, baby. Here we go. Minute and a half for market open. Do not play market open. If you're going to do it, make sure you understand it's going to be very quick in and out. I'm looking for US 30. 1 minute to market open. 1 minute to market open. I'm looking for US 30 and ES1 and SPX and YM1, especially that US 30. There you go. You're already in money. You can close down the trade. There you go. There you go. You're in money on US 30. You can close down your trade. Did it hit the orange line? Close. You can close down one of your trades before market open. And then I'm going to go back and forth between these charts very fast. There you go. Boom, baby. right to the orange line as called out for the 15-second buy on US 30. You're welcome. Thank God for that. Here we go. Here we go. There you go. There you go. Boom, in the money, in the money, in the money. Close down your swing. Full market open. US 30, 15-second buy stop to the blue line, past the orange line, in the money, in the money, in the money, in the money. That's the same things for YM1. Market open, market open, market open, market open. Look at YM1 in the money. US 30 in the money. Now it just turned back down. Let's see what we can grab here. Let's see. Hold. Re-enter when it comes back up to here. Re-enter again right here to stay right here on US 30. That was awesome. All of you should have been out of that trade on US 30. Let me go to YM. Nice. Again, I'm expecting all indices to go to the 15-minute blue line later today, but not right now. Let's just put our alerts in right here. We're going to hold right here. And let's wait for these to flip again. Let's see the 1 second flip. I have a few minutes this morning. I was going to go real quick. Let's just hold. We're start. Uno reverse is looking for the trade. Let's go over to Y. Let's go to U. There you go. All right, let's hold right here. Let's hold right here. Let's see NQ1 real quick. Let me see NQ1 5-minute real quick. Come on. It is a sell to NQ1's 5-minute blue line. I'm not taking that trade. And it's also a sell to ES1 5-minute blue line. You can take those trades if you like. Feel free. I'm going to wait for the 90-minute. I'm going to wait for the 1 hour. I'm going to wait for the 1 hour, 2 hour buy, stop at NQ1. I'm going to wait for the 2 hour, 3 hour buy, stop on NAS. Let's go back to NQ1. That is so tempting, man. If I was going to take a sell, it would be a sell to the 5-minute blue line on NQ1. Oh, that is so tempting to go there, but I can't do it. I'm not doing it. Sell stop to this blue line right here. I'm calling it. I'm not giving you any numbers, but it's going to go there. Watch. You'll see this change to red right here. There you go. Touchdown to the 5-minute blue line. Again, I'm not trading that. Whenever you see these turn to red, they're just forming bigger buy stops up here. You can clearly see the 60-minute buy stop and the 30-minute buy stop and a 60-minute buy stop on ES1. If they don't change it by 10:30 this morning to a buy, they will later today by 2:30 this afternoon, most likely. They love the 4-hour candles. Oh, come on. I wanted to jerk off. All right. I'm going to leave you guys with some thoughts. Here's your thoughts. Buy stop. Buy stops, all indices. To their 30-second blue lines. This is what's going to happen. Wait for them all to change the green like the logic is going to do. So these are going to all change the green. Then wait for NQ, NAS, US 30 to change the green. Then play, let me mark this. Then play these ones right here, the ES ones. And then when it does it again right here, it's going to do ESPX1 like this. Then play the US 30 to the 10-second blue line. And then if we can get, say, for instance, the ES, SPX, and the US 30, then play the NAS to the 15-second blue line, and so on. And then just play these. So look for this reversal. The first thing you're going to see, yep, there's the 5-minute right now. I told you there's your 5-minute, but I'd love to wait for this. I wish I had more time to do this. We had the 5-minute touchdown for NQ1. That was free money. I'm not going to play it, but if I was, that was easy money. And then just wait for these to start to flip. I don't think I'll have time to see it though. Let me see. Buy stop to the 1 second blue line US 30. Do it. Buy stop to the 1 second blue line YM1. Not NAS. I knew that NAS. Yeah, that's different. It's going to take a little more time. You can play these US 30s though. What happened? What happened? What happened? Just something popped up. Hold on. Oh, the start. The start is okay. Buy stop. Yep. Buy stop US 30 to the 1 second blue line. I just don't have time to sit. All right, I gotta go. All right, TikTokers, God bless you all. Hope you had a fun time this morning. Thank you for everything. I don't think I'll be back on later today. You never know, though. Talk to y'all later. God bless. That was fun. Nice, easy morning. All right, YouTubers. Aha. US 30 to the 1 second blue line. There you go. There you go. YM1 to the 1 second blue line. There you go. 5 second. Told you the US 30 first. Told you. US 30 to the 5 second blue line. There you go. YM to the 5. Told you. And then play it to the 30-second blue line, baby. Told you, told. There you go. Thank God it did it on the board. There you go. To the 30-second blue line for YM. To the 30-second blue line for you. I told you. There you go. Nice. Let me see those 1 minutes now. Yeah, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. All right, I'm going to leave you on that high note. All right. God bless y'all. $100 bills just flying around, free money. Thank you for the call. You're welcome, Keith. Oh, thank you, Keith. You're amazing too, my friend. All right. God bless you all. Everyone have a great day today. Enjoy yourselves. Get out there, live life, enjoy it. God bless. Talk to y'all later. Oh, that was a great morning. Nice.